All right, so you have probably noticed that oil floats on top of water. Oil doesn't mix with water and it has a different density. However, here we are going to show you a tutorial on how to make a beautiful density rainbow soup cocktail thing. And you can do it with children in your class. Now, for this you are going to need obviously a glass, and you're going to need lots of different liquids that have different densities. We are going to use dishwashing liquid, milk, cooking oil, mint, syrup, water, and some methanol, very poisonous. However, you can use whatever kind of ingredients you want that are at home, that you want to try out, or let your children decide what they want to use. So, what you have to do is very easy. You just have to pour the things together. And because the substances have different densities, they are going to appear right where you want them to. I'm lying. No, that's not how you do it. Actually, you're going to have to take care. And this is often difficult for children. You can let the children start by guessing what kind of densities these things have. Which of them goes to the bottom, which stays on top of other materials. Or you can let them experiment and find the solutions on their own. I can tell you that this syrup is the most dense one, so for this example I might want to start with that. It goes into the bottom. However, if you put them in another order it might work fine also. I'm going to add next the milk, and this might be a moment when you want to use special tools. For example, a pipette can help you to add the milk in a calm fashion. You don't want it to mix too much. Right. You can also use the pipette to another one, to actually let children add things to their mix. Alright, dishwashing soap stays on top of milk. You might want to take care with milk because it's actually composed of two materials. It's composed of a watery substance and fatty substance, and they will react with the soap, and you might get some funny results. However, children really like those. If we are going to add water, then to get a true rainbow cocktail, you might want to add some colorant into your water. Right now it will work fine, but this is beautiful green. As I said, you can use the pipette to add the material in a more calm fashion. However, you should take note that this takes a lot of time. In our experience, children want to be very precise, and when you are afraid that they might, when they are simply pouring liquids together, they might make mistakes, and then if they use the pipette it will take forever. I'm gonna speed up the process a bit for you. Whoops. Alright. So what comes next? Keep your workstation clean, right? Now I'm going to add the popular oil. Oil is one of the ingredients, the only ingredient here that is hydrophobic. So adding oil into your cocktail is not going to be a real problem. But with all of the other substances, you might want to take more care. And now the last one, the alcohol, the highly poisonous methanol. Don't let anybody drink this. And let's add this. And this red alcohol is indeed staying at the top layer. And different liquids have different densities, however different solids have also different densities, which is the next step. You want to let children drop different kind of items inside their cocktail. It might be a good idea first to let them guess where these items will end up, in which layer. Let's try it again with metal. Don't worry, I have another metallic object here, a hairpin, and it goes slowly but steadily to the bottom, which is what the children might guess correctly. But let's see what this pumpkin seed does. So, this stays on top. Crayon. A cork of a pen. Some money. And you can actually let children decide what kind of things they want to try out. And see how dense they are, if they sink, if they float, and where they will do that. And voila! Go ahead and try it out.